Hey, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you guys through on how to make an easy, delicious vegan pot roast using jackfruit. To start, we're going to start with sauteing some onions. Since we're not using any oils, you want to make sure that your pan is nice and hot. The next item I'm adding some minced garlic and want to continue with sauteing the minced garlic and onions. And to keep your onions and your garlic from sticking, you can always just add water or low sodium broth. We're going to mix the two for about, saute it for about 5 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add some steak sauce. If you don't have steak sauce, you can always use some A1 sauce, followed by some liquid smoke. The next item on our list is some coconut liquid amino, and this is some better than bouillon sauce. Then you're going to mix all of the different sauces up very well with the onions and the garlic. All right, to start the show is jackfruit. I have 2 cans of organic jackfruit that has been rinsed thoroughly with water and dried. And you're going to mix it up, stir everything up very well to make sure that the jackfruit is coated with the mixture. Next, I have a mixture of some different seasonings. I have some paprika, some garlic powder, some onions, some thyme, along with the little cayenne pepper, but you can use your own seasoning if you like. And it's really starting to smell really good here in the kitchen. So you want to make sure that the jackfruit is coated very well with the mixture, the seasoning. All right. Now the final thing that we're going to add, this is about 2 cups of water, and I added 2 cups of arrowroot powder to it. If you don't have any arrowroot powder, you can always use cornstarch, but arrowroot powder is a lot more healthier. It's gluten-free. It's much better than cornstarch. And oh yes, by the way, in the description of this video will be a list of all the items that I've used, where I purchased, the brand of jackfruit that I use, and where I purchased it. You want to bring this mixture to a boil, and after it starts to boil, you're going to reduce the heat to simmer, cover it up, and allow it to simmer for about 30 minutes. And as you can see here, it's starting to boil. Oh, yes, and by the way, if you're new here, I am Allison, and on the channel, I provide holistic health and wellness content for Black women over the age of 50 to allow them to age gracefully and obtain optimal health. So here I have covered the dish up and it's going to simmer, allowing it to simmer for about 30 minutes. Voila, it is done. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I've diced up and cut up a lot of different vegetables. I have some diced carrots, some celery, and some potatoes, and I'm adding those to this dish here. And to be honest, I think I probably cut up too many vegetables, but I absolutely love chunky vegetables. The next thing we're going to do is pour the jackfruit mixture. We're going to pour this over the vegetables. And the house smells so delicious, I tell you. And since we're approaching the holiday season, this will be just a great alternative to some of your unhealthy, high calorie dishes that we tend to make for Christmas and for Thanksgiving. This would be just a great dish to make for yourself or for your family and introduce them to a vegan dish. So here I'm just stirring up the jackfruit with the vegetables, and as you can see here, it's a struggle because I I had so many vegetables in the dish, but it honestly it turned out so well. So you're going to cover it. If you have a lid to go over your dish, that would be great. And if not, you could just use some heavy duty foil and make sure that your dish is covered. You're going to place it in the oven, set your oven to 350 and allow it to simmer and cook for about an hour and a half. I have taken it out the oven, and honestly, I tell you, I wish you could smell through this video because it smelled so good. The jackfruit was just nice and tender, almost like roast beef. The vegetables were still soft, but not too soft. Still had like a slight crunch to them. But yeah, here's the finished product. And there you have it. I served it with just some sides, well, some collard greens. And yeah, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you give this recipe a try, please just share in the comments. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. You be blessed. Bye.